Hi guys, this is Dr. Baker and today on Mug Madness we'll learn how to make this single serve chocolate chip cookie in a mug. So let's get started. Firstly, take some oil in a mug. Here I'm using a flavorless oil which is sunflower. You can use anything else. Add in the brown sugar and now add in your white sugar and mix everything until it is well combined. Go ahead and add in your milk and mix everything until it is a uniform homogeneous mixture. Add in the baking powder and chocolate chips to the flour so that the chocolate chips don't sink in. Now add the flour mixture to your mug. Give it a good mix so that everything is combined and it is not lumpy and everything is very smooth. Add some extra chocolate chips to the top and put it in the microwave for around 60 seconds. It should spring back to your touch and you can add some extra chocolate chips to the top once it's ready because extra chocolate never hurts no one. Go ahead and enjoy it. I hope you make it. For the entire recipe, go ahead on my website. Thank you for watching.